Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is faith and trust in the divine cosmic intelligence, the eternal foundation of human existence. Ladies and gentlemen, from the silent choreography of galaxies to the steady beat of a newborn heart, one living rhythm holds all creation. Scientists name it the laws of nature. Sages call it the cosmic order, and hearts across ages sense it as a presence far greater than themselves. Faith and trust in this vast intelligence are not mere belief. They are the ground on which human life stands, offering direction when reason falters and strength when circumstances waver. Modern science keeps unveiling the elegance of the universe. Stars forged in unimaginable heat, DNA carrying the code of life, subatomic particles flickering in and out of existence. The deeper the exploration, the clearer the design. Quantum physics now speaks of a unified field from which matter and energy arise, echoing the ancient Vedic insight of an underlying consciousness that sustains all. What seers intuited in meditation, contemporary research approaches it through telescopes, particle accelerators, and neural imaging, an interconnected intelligence where nothing is truly separate. Ancient wisdom has long affirmed this truth. The Upanishads speak of Brahman, the infinite reality that is the source and essence of all. Taoist philosophy calls it the way, a natural order beyond names. Indigenous traditions across continents honor it as the Great Spirit. Despite differences of language and culture, each tradition recognizes that life is not a random accident, but an expression of a deeper harmony. Faith and trust in this cosmic intelligence are not blind acceptance. They are living relationships with the unseen architecture of existence. Faith steadies the mind when outcomes are unknown. Trust allows the heart to rest in a rhythm larger than immediate understanding. Together, in resonance, they cultivate resilience, transforming adversity into steadiness and growth. History shows that civilizations flourished when they aligned their pursuits with reverence for this greater order and faltered when they forgot it. What's the way forward? In a world of rapid change, cultivating faith and trust need not mean retreat from science or reason. It calls for integration, exploring with curiosity while remaining anchored in the awareness that life itself is intelligent. Simple practices nurture this alignment and resonance. Moments of silence to listen beyond thought. Stillness for coherence. Gratitude that shifts attention from scarcity to abundance, and the acts of compassion that mirror the generosity of the cosmos. Education that blends scientific discovery with timeless wisdom can guide societies toward balance, reminding humanity that technology without inner trust is incomplete. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, to live with faith and trust in the divine cosmic intelligence is to recognize that every heartbeat, every sunrise, every unexpected turn belongs to a vast, benevolent design. Turbulences come and go, challenges remain, but they are met with courage, humility, and an unshakable sense of belonging to the whole. The Bhagavad Gita captures this eternal truth through Lord Krishna's words. Whoever surrenders all actions to the divine, resting in the self, free from expectations and ownership, remains unbound by action. In this surrender lies the enduring foundation of human existence, a harmony where science and spirit meet, and where the human journey finds its deepest trust in the infinite intelligence that guides every star and every soul. On this eternal resonating power of trust and faith, Lord Krishna declares in the Bhagavad Gita, there are those who always think of me and engage in exclusive devotion to me. To them whose minds are always absorbed in me, I provide what they lack and preserve what they already possess. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.